Hi, we're here at Vista Grande, D.R. Horton's newest community in Rio Rancho. This is the Chama model. This home is 1,537 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath. Let's go take a look. So you have a nice open entryway, 9-foot ceilings throughout, granite countertops, Whirlpool stainless steel appliances included, microwave, 4-burner gas stove, and dishwasher. The kitchen is open to the living and dining areas. The primary is right in the back. Nice private entrance. It's a nice roomy primary. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. The ensuite bath. It's a raised double vanity. 5-foot walk-in shower and walk-in closet. You have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. There's a nice separation in between the bedrooms. Guest bath in between. Separate door between the shower and the commode and a sink. And the 4th bedroom is up front near the entryway. Along with the laundry area. One of the best features of Vista Grande are the expansive views from the backyard. These homes have covered patios on all homes. So look at those views. Amazing. Nice large backyards.